Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Convection for Tiffin Motorhomes. My name is Lynn Becker. I'm a personal chef and caterer, and we have a wonderful video series that we've created for you, both the brand new motorhome owner and those owners who have been using their motorhome for a while but really don't know how to use their convection oven. Today we're in the brand new 2020 Allegro bus model. It's the 40IP, and I really wish that you could see even into the back. The bedroom and the bathroom are amazing. But today we're going to focus our efforts in the kitchen. And I thought we would start our series with something really simple to make that promises to satisfy any sweet tooth that you might have. We're calling it the Red Bay Raspberry Tart. And we're starting with our first of 6 simple ingredients. This is a refrigerated pie crust. You get it in the refrigerated section of your supermarket, and it's so easy to use. You just roll it out and boom, you're ready to start. Next up, our fruit. These are beautiful fresh red raspberries that I have already rinsed and drained really well. You don't want the excess moisture inside your tart. It won't do well. This is my favorite part, just placing the raspberries. I find it very relaxing. And we're only using half of the pie crust because we're going to fold it over. Okay, we've got our raspberries placed. Don't forget to leave plenty of space around the edge because we're going to need to close this and seal it. One last raspberry. And on to our next ingredient. Semi-sweet chocolate chips. In my opinion, the darker the chip, the better. And I really don't think there's any better flavor than raspberries and chocolate. You really just need a handful of the chips. Just scatter them around on top of the raspberries. Next ingredient. I've got a couple of pats of butter, just a couple, and I'm not even going to use all of this. I'm going to take my paring knife and just put little pieces of butter throughout the pie. Maybe just a couple more. Good. We're halfway done. Fold it over and seal your edges really well. You want to make sure you get it sealed correctly because you don't want the juices draining out while it's cooking. Okay? I'm going to take a fork and just seal around the edges, crimping really well all the way. Okay? Crimped. Now I've got an egg wash. I just cracked an egg, beat it up a little bit, got a pastry brush. You don't have to use the egg wash, but I like to use it on tarts like this because it gives the pie a really golden shine and makes it look really professional. So just brush your entire tart with your egg wash. That looks good. Last ingredient, just some plain granulated white sugar. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on the top. As the egg wash browns, that sugar is going to be really golden and shiny. It's going to make the tart look gorgeous. Last step, we want to cut 3 slits into the pie, just so the steam can escape. And now it's ready to go into the oven. I'm going to place the pie with the parchment paper on my sheet pan and into the oven. Make sure you use convection. Choose your temperature, 400 degrees, and your time, 25 minutes. And then you push start. Now, I already have a pie that came out of the oven earlier. Is that gorgeous or what? And I'll just bet it tastes good too. Wonderful. This is so easy. You're really going to enjoy making this. And you can do it in less than 30 minutes in your convection oven in your Tiffin motorhome. We'll see you next time on the next Cooking with Convection.